Using Visa gift card in Apple Store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Visa gift card on Apple Store. So for that, you have two options. So the first option is if you want to visit the store physically or you want to use it online. So the process is pretty much the same. You just have to go to, any of the store of the Apple. And then you have to select any of the device that you want to buy. And after, selecting the device, obviously they will want you to pay. In the payment, you just have to put your card as a payment method. In online, you can put the card details like card number. Let me show you how a Visa gift card looks. So let me just search for Visa gift card. And if I go to images, as you guys can see, a Visa gift card contains all the details like, the card number. This is how the card usually look, the card number, the name, and all the things. You can use this to put anywhere, even the Apple Store. So you just have to go there, buy it, and there you go. You will easily be able to pay using your Visa gift card. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.